Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we are going to solve this problem under square root x plus 5 plus under square root x minus 5 equal 5 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So under square root x plus 5 plus under square root x minus 5 equal 5. So if I'll do squaring both sides, so here it become an identity, that is a plus b whole square, which is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab, where a is under root x plus 5 and b is under root x minus 5. So under root x plus 5 whole square plus under root x minus 5 whole square plus 2 times under root x plus 5 times under root x minus 5 equal 5 square is 25. Now with the help of this square root eliminates. So x plus 5 plus x minus 5 plus 2 times under root, this becomes a plus b, a minus b, that is a square minus b square equal 25. So this positive 5 cancel out the negative 5 and x plus x is 2x plus 2 under root x square minus 25 equal 25. Now if I'll take 2 as common, so x plus under root x square minus 25 equal 25 divided by 2 both sides. So x plus under root x square minus 25 equal 25 by 2. Take this x square x to other side. So it becomes under root x square minus 25 equal 25 by 2 minus x. Now if I'll do squaring both sides again, with the help of the square root eliminates. So x square minus 25 equal, here I am going to use the identity a minus b whole square, which is a square plus b square plus minus 2 times a times b. So this will cancel out. So x square minus 25 equal 25 square is 625 by 4 plus x square minus 25x. So this positive x square cancel out the positive x square from both the sides. Take this negative 25 to this side. So 25x equals 625 by 4. The negative 25 goes to other side plus 25. Now if we take the LCM, so 625 and here 25 times 4 is 100. So 25x equals 725 by 4. X equals 725 by 4 times 25. That is 725 by 100, which is equals to 7.25. So this is the value of x. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.